Please be ready for a dictation of a matter on Central Bureau of Investigation, taken from Wikipedia. 5 seconds. Start. The Central Bureau of Investigation is the premier investigating agency of India, operating under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Home Affairs, originally set up to investigate bribery and governmental corruption. In 1965, it received expanded jurisdiction to investigate breaches of central laws enforceable by the Government of India, multi-state organized crime, multi-agency or international cases. The agency has been known to investigate several economic crimes, special crimes, cases of corruption, and other cases. CBI is exempted from the provisions of the Right to Information Act. CBI is India's officially designated single point of contact for liaison with the Interpol. The Bureau of Investigation traces its origins to the Special Police Establishment, a central government police force which was set up in 1941 by the Government of India to investigate bribery and corruption in transactions with the War and Supply Department of India. It had its headquarters in Lahore. The superintendent of the Special Police Establishment was Qurban Ali Khan, who later opted for Pakistan during the partition of India. The first legal advisor of the War Department was Rai Sahib Karam Chand Jain. After the end of the war, there was a continued need for a central government agency to investigate bribery and corruption by central government employees. Sahib Karam Chand Jain remained its legal advisor when the department was transferred to the Home Department by the 1946 Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. The Delhi Special Police Establishment scope was enlarged to cover all departments of the Government of India. Its jurisdiction extended to the Union territories and could be further extended to the states with the consent of the state governments involved. Sardar Patel, first Deputy Prime Minister of Free India and head of the Home Department, desired to weed out corruption in erstwhile princely states such as Jodhpur, Rewa, and Tonk. Patel directed legal advisor Karamchand Jain to monitor criminal proceedings against the Diwans and chief ministers of those states. The DSPE acquired its popular current name, Central Bureau of Investigation, through a Home Ministry resolution dated 1/4/1963. The CBI established a reputation as India's foremost investigative agency with the resources for complicated cases, and it was requested to assist the investigation of crimes such as murder, kidnapping, and terrorism. The Supreme Court and a number of high courts in the country also begin assigning such investigations to the CBI on the basis of petitions filed by aggrieved parties. In 1987, the CBI was divided into the following divisions: the Anti-Corruption Division, the Special Crimes Division, the Economic Offences Division, the Policy and International Police Cooperation Division, the Administration Division, the Directorate of Prosecution Division, and the Central Forensic Science Laboratory Division. The founding director of the CBI was D.P. Kohli, who held the office from 1 April 1963 to 31 May 1968. Before this, Kohli was Inspector General of Police for the Special Police Establishment from 1955 to 1963 and held law enforcement positions in Madhya Bharat as Chief of Police Uttar Pradesh and local government offices. For distinguished service, Kohli was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1967. Kohli saw in the special police establishment the potential to growing into a national investigative agency. He nurtured the organization during his long career as Inspector General and Director and laid the foundation on which the agency grew. The CBI is headed by a director, an IPS officer with the rank of Director General of Police. The director is selected by a high-profile committee constituted under the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946, as amended through the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013, and has a 2-year term. Other ranks in the CBI, which may be staffed by the Indian Revenue Service officer and the IPS, are Special Director, Additional Director, Joint Director, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Senior Superintendent of Police, Superintendent of Police, Additional Superintendent of Police, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Head Constable, which are recruited through SSC or through deputation from Police, Income Tax Department and Customs Department. Stop.